Hello students, welcome to the 7th Standard Social Science Geography session. Today is the great day to learn something new. What is land? What are the different landforms do we have? How these landforms are created? What are the advantages of these landforms? To know the answers, let's get into the lesson landforms. Landforms are natural, geographical or physical features on the Earth's surface. Collectively, these include mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal plains, deserts and islands. Let us learn about these landforms. See, these landforms as a result of two processes. In the earlier class, we have learned that two processes, one is endogenic process and the next one is exogenic process. Endogenic process is an internal process and the exogenic process is an external process that occurs on the Earth's surface. The exogenic process is the continuous rebuilding of the land surface. Gradation is the process of successive changes through erosion and deposition. The landscape, that is visible features of an area of land, is continuously worn away by two processes, that is weathering and erosion. Weathering, it is the breaking and falling of small pieces of rocks on the Earth's surface. Erosion, the process of eroding or being eroded by wind, water, ice, sea waves and other natural agents. These eroded materials is carried away by water, wind, etc. and eventually deposited. Deposited means settle down. This process of erosion and deposition create different landforms on the surface of the earth. How are rivers formed? Rivers begin life as a tiny stream running down a mountain slope or a hill. The water flowing from its sources to river mouth along a definite course is called a river. The place of origin of the river is known as its source. Source is a place where a river begins. The place where it joins a lake or sea or an ocean is known as river mouth. The running water in the river erodes the landscape, which creates a steep-sided valley like the letter V, known as V-shaped valley. Next, we are going to see tributary and distributary. Tributary, a stream or river that flows into and joins a main river. Distributary, a stream that branches off and flows away from a main stream. Do you like falls? Yes, we all like falls. Falling of river water over a vertical step in the river bed is called waterfall. It is formed when the soft rocks are removed by erosion. Example, Kuttalam Falls across the river Chittar in Tamil Nadu. And we are having various numbers of falls, right? Yes, say some falls. Agasthyar Falls, Silver Falls, Tiruparapu Falls, etc. The highest waterfalls is Angel Falls of Peninsula in south. The other waterfalls are Niagara Falls, located on the border between Canada and USA in North America, and Victoria Falls Victoria Falls on the borders of Zambia and Zimbabwe in Africa. A deep basin excavated at the foot of a waterfall by the action of the falling water is called as plunge pool. A triangle-shaped deposit of gravel, sand and even smaller pieces of sediment is known as alluvial fan. We can see in that or near the falls area. Next one is meanders. The term meander has been named on the basis of Meander River of Asia Minor Turkey. It flows through numerous curves and turns. As the river enters the plain in twists and turns, forming large bends known as meanders. Meanders along the river Vellar in Kudalur district is a great example. Due to continuous erosion and deposition along the sides of the meander, the ends of the meander loop comes closer and close. In due course of time, the meander loop cuts off from the river and forms a cut-off lake, also known as an oxbow lake. As the river floods, it deposits layers of fine soil and other material called sediments, that is matter that settles to the bottom of a liquid along its banks. This leads to the formation of a flat, fertile flood plain, that is a land prone to flooding. The raised banks are called levees. As the river approaches the sea, the speed of the flowing water decreases and the river begins to break up into a number of streams called distributaries. Each distributary forms its own mouth. The collection of sediments from all the mouth form delta. We all heard the word delta, right? Greatest importance to human activities and excellent productive lands. They have more minerals which favor cultivation. Example: Kaveri Delta, Ganges Delta, Mississippi Delta. Thank you, dear children.